Yo, it's Smooth Mo. I got my man Young Josh behind the camera helping me with videos. Today we're gonna be hitting McDonald's, then we're gonna be going to Walmart. It's gonna be a fun day. Be fast food. And why'd it take me 20 goddamn minutes to get my damn food? I ordered 2 things. Fucking people, man. Facts. Yeah. Yo, McDonald's really gave us the wrong order like 3 times.
Facts, yeah. Give me a fucking McChicken with no bread.
Yeah, facts. They gave him a McChicken with no bread. How you feel?
I mean, I'm good.
And then they gave you some other stupid shit.
You got my shit now.
Facts. So now we on the Walmart, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna do some pranking and shit, right?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also, apparently we just found out that Kobe Bryant just died, bro. Like, that shit came out of nowhere. He was in a helicopter in California. Apparently that shit just went down.
Rest in peace, man. Hold
on, wait, there's a car. Bro.
Can't go? He's standing right here.
Pedestrians should have the right of way. Bro, we're not just gonna walk across the goddamn street.
I'm walking. What food?
Now I finna go. Well, I didn't know when somebody else was gonna come. Alright, we'll see y'all in Walmart. You getting chased by all the fucking birds. You getting chased by all the damn birds. You better go, boy. You better go. Bro, they all following him, bro. They all following, bro. Yo, Josh, look up.
Take the fucking camera. Fucking. So right now, we're doing pranks in Walmart. Antonio, I dare you to go over there and put those lion slippers on and ask people if you think that they look good on you. I'm using that right there. Oh my god, just put the fucking slippers on. I don't even think these can go on.
Just put them on.
These cannot go.
Hey, go put the Uggs on. Go put the Uggs on. Josh. Then go get another pair and put the other pair on your other foot. Oh yeah, good shit.
Niggas are already nothing.
No. The guy leaning on the crate, go ask him if you think you look good. Yes. You have to, it's a dare. It's a dare, you have to.
No.
Come on, do it.
I don't want people, bro.
Facts. Go.
Anyway.
That lady right there, what? That lady right there.
Of course they do. They're Bigfoot.
She said he looks like Bigfoot. Yeah.
Alright, you're there to blow bubbles next to people and get their reactions.
Alright. I'm like, oh, I gotta do this.
find some like old people because they have like the best reaction. They're really good. I have a question. You like my bubbles?
Yeah, they're nice.
Thank you. Should I get them?
Sure.
All right, I will. All right, you ready for your dare?
Yeah.
You gotta ask people if they like your ring. Right. Tell them that your girlfriend gave it to you. Come here.
How many people?
Just one. We're only doing a one-time thing. Oh, bro, that woman looks like she wants to ask me that thing. Come on, you got this. Oh my God.
You know? You think my girlfriend should buy me a new one? Alright, thank you.
Do you think my girlfriend should buy me a new one?
You ready for your dare?
Yeah.
Alright, your dare is gonna be, you gotta ask someone if they wanna be your Valentine's. But you gotta walk up to them with this.
Male or female, or does it not matter? Do
Female.
I have to do a female? Okay.
Female.
Okay, I thought you were gonna make me ask. Bro, the problem is, what if someone like takes it and like thinks I paid for it? What if someone thinks I paid for it already?
I don't know.
Bro. Well, how much was it?
I don't know, like
It's
20.
like $18.
Yeah.
I think I should ask the same moment I asked for the bubbles. Should I?
Should you ask for what?
Should I ask the same woman who I asked to see my bubbles?
Yeah.
All right. I'll buy you this if you be my girl.
No.
Are you
No.
sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Go somewhere else with your camera, okay? Pick up somebody else.
Fine.
Yeah.
See this Olaf comforter? You gotta go up to someone and ask them if it'll go good with your My Little Pony bedroom set. And try and stay away from the same people. Can you get it? No. Huh? No. She looks like she would kill you. Go over to people near the pillows. Go to your right. Go to your right. Oh.
Wait.
Now go over there. Because it's gotta be near like all the pillows and stuff. You got this.
You think it's good? You go into My Little Pony bed set?
That's your call. I don't think that would go with My Little Pony, though.
Yeah, really. That's what I'm thinking.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's true.
For your dare?
Yeah.
Alright. As you can see, we're in the baby clothes section. So I want you to walk up to someone and ask them if they think this would look good on you.
I think it would. Excuse me? Do you think this would look good on me? No, that's a real question. Because
Why would you ask that question?
Because I got a little cousin who would look good in this, and she looks kind of like me.
Okay, well then why don't you say that instead of asking me, do I think that would look good on you?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
It would look good on any girl.
Okay, thank
Okay?
you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Someone's got to be the fluff to your peanut butter.
Alright.
How many people am I asking?
One, bro. We always do one.
I'm trying to do more, bro.
Then do two.
Two.
One man, one female.
No.
All right, fine. Go. Go over to the food section. Yup.
What's that?
You going
Some good eats.
You going one more person?
The honey buns.
One more person?
Excuse me, man. We got some good honey buns.
Left. No.
Yeah.
Thank you all for watching. Expect more videos with Young Josh. Thanks for coming to help me out. I'll leave all the stuff in the description below, and I'll see you all later.